pursuit of my religion. No double take.
Hell, now we back. You can't tell, man.
Hey, we at the meet, bro.
Hey, y'all see this shit? I ain't gonna lie.
Hey, the meet viral, cuz. Nah, we just started. We 30 minutes early to the meet. You feel me? Everybody pulling up at 8 p.m.
You know what I'm saying? We got the nigga. I didn't go. It was on the city. We got Lotus Q Fit. We got my Beamer, and then we got my homie Brian's Beamer right here, you feel me? Got him on the infamous old Beamer type shit. Hey, so hey, man.
You know what I'm saying? This still early meet, you feel me? These are just like people that, you know what I'm saying, we told to pull up, you feel me? All the homies pulling up. But the real meet start in like probably like 30 minutes, everybody gonna start pulling up. But yeah, we're gonna catch up with y'all.
I'm expecting hella burnouts, bro. I got some trucks pulling up, they gonna do burnouts, bro. Yeah, that shit what is fuck, I ain't gonna lie. That's the homie right there, as y'all can see. Y'all know him. He got
Hey, it's my boy 392 Poppy early to the meet.
God, this shit hard, nigga. What's good with you? What's good with you, bro?
Oh shit, bro! Hey, he got the Hellcat engine in this bitch.
Oh shit, the homies right here, you feel me? Got the, y'all know about that. Y'all know about that, they got that. Damn, boy, that shit loud as hell, bro. God damn.
Kind of sucks like when it's dark, but like when you put in the lighting, like when it's at night, like,
yeah,
it kind of reflects.
Is this Slim Body Red Eye?
Yeah, it's somebody red eye.
I ain't never seen it.
Into it.
Not too much, bro. I've been having trouble getting some parts in since California put up that new that law, so it makes it hard to order for certain parts. But the only thing I got done is the 2.0 JLT intake. That's about it.
Okay. Yeah, you can't get them Hellcats, boy. I ain't gonna lie. I'll tell you about them Hellcats, man.
Hey, oh god.
This shit is different, boy. Yeah, this shit got the chrome TEs on it. What is it, paint match though? My boy's hood is paint match. God, yeah. They got my homie's 440 right here. Hey, this 440 is a killer though. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, the homie's Mustang right here. Sheesh. I ain't gonna lie. What's your favorite car here right now? That's not yours. That's not yours.
I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna have to go with. I ain't gonna lie, that Slim Body Red Eye, bro.
That Slim Body Red Eye over there?
Yeah.
Hey, the homie Black Cat. Y'all see the white on the joint?
Except with the flasher.
The flasher with the flash. He got that no license. He got that no license.
And then we got your boy 392 Poppy.
God damn.
Little scat joint.
Little scat. Got the homie. Hey, this boy scat. He be slotting this shit though.
Hey, where he at? Hey, gang, you slide the scat today, bro?
All right.
Slide the scat today?
Hey, man.
Bro, I've been sliding it so much, my rear axles went out. I had to replace them, so I'll be back.
I already know where your alignment's cooked right now, bro.
Yeah, it was, bro. I had to do it. I had to do alignment, rear axles, and I did my drive shaft.
Hey, bro.
I thought it was my drive shaft, but it wasn't. So I ended up selling the one that I took off to make my money back. So,
Bro,
it's all from doing hella donuts, but I knew it was coming.
You just told me that you got
That's happening.
But to be honest, bro, they're mad strong, bro. Like, the parts on the scats and the cats, bro, they're strong.
What's up, my boy? That's my homie right here. What's up, my boy Black Cat?
Nice to meet you.
That's his glove.
I know I met you. What's up?
What's up, man?
So, Eddie,
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you guys.
Hell yeah, bro.
What's wrong with Nick?
It's good, bro. Alex, bro. Appreciate you for pulling up, my boy. Alex, bro.
We didn't get the rest of the group, bro. It would have been like fucking 30, 40 of us almost.
Bro, for real? I mean, y'all be pulling up deep though. I ain't gonna lie. Every time.
That's kind of lag, bro. I was like, all right, fuck it.
Hey, how was that M2 when you had it though?
That shit was cool. I loved it.
Yeah?
Yeah?
If I had this shit again, I'm gonna do it right. I'm not gonna get played by fucking Dodge.
Yeah, bro, you told me that shit. Remember I told you?
All right, y'all, so right now, security just came up to us and basically said they're gonna call the cops if we don't leave. I guess Metro's tripping for some reason, even though we're not doing nothing wrong. We're gonna find a new location right now, and we gonna move, bro. Hey, this meet ain't over, bro.
What the fuck? Look,
This meet ain't over, bro.
her meat popped up. Wait, what? Fuck up the city, bro? Oh!
Shit!
Took a little intermission with the, hold on. Took a little intermission and shit from the car meet. We at the motherfucking car studio. Dead on me, still have to know. So you have to know. Register's closed. Oh yeah, they closed, huh?
Yeah, the register's
Y'all run this shit off and throw away?
God, this shit is bright. I don't know how to turn it down though.
Alright. So, yeah. So we finna go back outside, call and shit.
We gotta go.
Yo, they said we gotta go, but I told them I don't wanna go. So if I'm leaving, then Phyllis Brown leaving with me. Oh shit. If I'm leaving, Phyllis Brown leaving with me. So you have to know. So it's good though. Me and KP bouncing out the load. You have to know. Niggas kicked us out the motherfucking, kicked us out the shit. It's cool though. You feel me? It's all good. So he's bouncing out right now.
That's it.
So I think we should just go beat the road up, huh? We should just go hit the road, off the freeway, go racing some shit. Stay taste chili, bitch. I'm true to my religion. The double take.